Everyday headlines scream that AI is replacing humans, becoming conscious or outsmarting us all. It's exciting, it's terrifying, and it's mostly wrong. The truth is, most of what you think you know about artificial intelligence is based on hype, half-truths, and science fiction, not science. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 AI myths debunked, not just to bust misconceptions, but to help you understand what AI really is, how it works, and what it means for your life, your work, and our future. Whether you're curious, concerned, or just tired of the buzzwords, this is the video you didn't know you needed. Let's get started and make sure you stick around for myth number 1. Even experts still fall for that one. Myth number 5. AI is already smarter than humans. This one gets repeated everywhere. In articles, on talk shows, in viral posts. The logic goes, if AI can win at Go, solve math problems instantly, and write code, it must be more intelligent than we are. But here's the catch. AI's intelligence is narrow. These systems are trained to perform very specific tasks. Beat a chess champion? Sure. Navigate real life? Not even close. Let's say you build an AI that can drive a car. Great. But that same system can't also fold laundry, write a screenplay, or understand a child's drawing. Human brains can do all of that, often simultaneously. AI can't even begin. And when AI does outperform us, like in language modeling or data analysis, it's doing so using brute force, billions of parameters, massive computing power, and oceans of data. That's not intelligence like we understand it, it's calculation at scale. One simple way to tell the difference: ask an AI to explain why it made a decision. Most of the time it can't because it doesn't know. It's not thinking, it's mapping probability. Think of AI like a calculator. It can compute a square root faster than you, but it doesn't understand what a square root is. It's useful but not wise. Myth number 4. AI will steal everyone's job. It's easy to see why people worry. Chatbots can now handle customer service. AI tools can write emails, code websites, and even create art. That's a lot of disruption. But history tells a different story. Every major leap in automation, from steam engines to computers, eliminated some roles but created more. The key is that jobs don't just disappear, they evolve. Consider the introduction of Microsoft Excel. Thousands of accounting clerks were worried. But instead of wiping them out, Excel allowed accountants to do more valuable work, analyzing trends, offering insights, and making strategic decisions. It changed the job, it didn't eliminate it. AI is the same. It can automate repetitive tasks, but it still can't replace judgment, creativity, or trust. And that means entirely new roles are emerging. AI ethics officers, model explainability specialists, synthetic data curators, jobs that didn't exist 5 years ago. In fact, global estimates show AI may displace 85 million jobs, but create nearly 100 million new ones. The future isn't jobless, it's different. The question isn't will AI take your job, It's will you evolve with it? Myth number 3. AI can feel emotions or become conscious. Pop culture is partly to blame for this one. From Her to Ex Machina to 2001, A Space Odyssey, we've been primed to believe AI might someday become sentient or already has. But in reality, AI doesn't think, want, or feel. It doesn't get happy or sad. It doesn't fall in love or fear shut down. It has no internal experience at all. When you talk to a chatbot that says, I understand, it's bluffing. It's simulating what a person might say based on patterns. It has no awareness of itself, the conversation, or the consequences of its words. This phenomenon, the Eliza effect, describes our tendency to treat AI like a person, even when we know it's not. And that has real implications. If we start believing AI is sentient, we could treat it with ethical concern, or worse, trust it with decisions it shouldn't make, like grief counseling or deciding parole. We need to remember even the most human-like responses are just code executing at scale. Myth number 2. AI is unbiased and objective. The thinking goes like this. Unlike people, machines are logical, so AI must be objective, right? AI learns from data, and well, data is filled with human bias. There's a famous case from Amazon where an AI recruiting tool was trained on resumes from top performers, who were mostly men. The system learned to downgrade applicants who mentioned women's clubs, even if they were equally qualified. In another case, facial recognition systems deployed by law enforcement had much higher error rates on darker skin tones. Why? Because the training datasets were disproportionately white. Bias in, bias out. Even something as neutral as a mortgage application algorithm can perpetuate decades of redlining and financial discrimination. Not because anyone programmed it to be unfair, but because the historical data is already unjust. This isn't just a technical problem, it's a human one. And it means we need to audit, challenge, and correct AI constantly. As we've seen, bias in AI isn't just about the data, it's about the decisions humans make every step of the way. And this leads us directly into the final and most misunderstood myth of all. Myth number 1. AI understands language like humans do. Modern language models can write essays, jokes, stories, even full movie scripts. They seem intelligent, but that's only an illusion. These models don't understand meaning, they predict sequence. If I say peanut butter and your brain fills in jelly because you understand the concept, an AI fills in jelly because those words appear together in millions of examples. Ask an AI to explain a metaphor or understand a cultural reference, and it might succeed or fail based entirely on the data it's seen. It doesn't know what a metaphor is, it just knows what often follows it in writing. Imagine an AI writing a legal contract. It might look perfect, but it could miss a crucial clause or contradict itself. And it won't even know. It has no understanding of truth, risk, or consequence. That's not just misleading, it's dangerous. Let's recap what we've uncovered. AI isn't smarter than humans, it's just fast at narrow tasks. It won't destroy all jobs, but it will change the landscape. It doesn't have emotions or a soul, just code. It's not unbiased. It learns from us, flaws and all. And it doesn't understand language. It guesses words. Let's zoom out. AI is here. It's evolving fast. And yes, it's going to change a lot. But the real danger isn't that AI is smarter than us. It's that we think it is. Misunderstanding AI can lead to fear, misuse, blind trust, or missed opportunity. But understanding it, that gives you power. Power to use it wisely, question it critically, and stay ahead in a world that's changing whether we like it or not. So take what you've learned here and share it. Start conversations. Challenge the myths. The more people who understand what AI really is, the better our collective future becomes. If this helped clarify things for you, hit that like button so it can reach someone else who needs the same clarity. And subscribe to Techno Evolution for more videos that decode the future without the fluff. Thanks for being here, and keep questioning the